This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a niche and a single, compelling offer. This focuses every decision. Once chosen, build a landing page with a simple form and install tracking pixels so you capture and attribute every visit. At the same time, connect that form to your CRM and set an initial budget plus bidding rules. This lets you run an early test campaign immediately while gathering usable data to refine targeting and creative. You drive traffic with focused ads on 1 to 3 channels and test creatives that match each segment. While ads run, tag every touchpoint with UTMs and apply lead scoring rules in your CRM so you separate hot from cold quickly. Once leads arrive, use automated workflows to send confirmation messages and a short qualification survey. This keeps response times fast and preserves lead quality. Make sure to monitor cost per lead so you finalize by routing qualified leads to sales with clear SLAs and context so reps can convert efficiently. Then measure key metrics, cost per lead, conversion rates, and projected lifetime value to understand ROI. Run a/B tests to improve each element. Once you see patterns, iterate creatives, landing pages, and audience settings. If conversions drop, troubleshoot. Check landing page speed, form validation, and tracking integrity first. Those 3 issues cause most sudden performance declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.